drone licensing in South Africa. Now, to begin with, I do not have a problem with drones being regulated in South Africa, and I accept that laws are there for the protection of all. The problem I have is with the commercial drone licensing process and the cost thereof. I accept that licensing is needed, but the current licensing process and the cost makes it impossible for small businesses. As a small business owner myself, I would love to provide photography and video services using my drone. But I cannot, as a commercial drone licensing set is simply too expensive. With the small turnover of my company, it would take 10 or more years to pay off the licensing costs using the full value of income the drones could possibly generate as a small addition to my current work. And this excludes the license renewal costs. The problem with this expensive licensing model is that it generates or it creates an illegal drone operator breeding ground, where the group who own drones and cannot afford licensing but still offer drone services start to outgrow the legal operators. If licensing costs had been lower, as in most other countries, then you would have a much larger legal drone operator group who would also comply with the law. This makes the airspace much safer than the current system. In a market where a commercial drone license is affordable, customers would rather hire legal drone operators than taking a chance with illegal drone operators. Agree? Currently, the cost of commercial drone licensing forces many customers to turn to illegal drone operators, using arguments such as, just do what you want because the government does not enforce these laws, offers no solution to a small business owner such as myself, who really wishes to remain within the law. I want to keep my business on the legal side. What do you think? This is the old DJI Spark. Still one of my favorite little drones, even though I do have those two Phantoms up there. I can't use them. They are, well, in many terms, they are relics. They've become relics, together with all the other drones that I've built, because the licensing to use them for commercial purposes is just too expensive. So they sit up there, and even this one just gathers dust. Tell me what you think.